Welcome to Moxis Education. Today we are going to discuss about cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria is also known as blue-green algae. Blue-green algae. So why we are calling this cyanobacteria blue-green algae means they are look like algae. That's why these are called blue-green algae. Mainly cyanobacteria are unicellular, colonial and filamentous organs. Unicellular organisms and colonial, filamentous. Cyanobacteria are the unicellular, colonial and filamentous organisms. Unicellular means they are made up of only one cell. అంటే ఏకకణంగా సమూహంగా తంతువుల రూపంలో ఉన్నటువంటి జీవులే ఈ cyanobacteria. So mainly they are living in fresh water or marine water or terrestrial. So they are living in water or fresh water or terrestrial places. The colonies of cyanobacteria surrounded with gelatinous sheath. Gelatinous sheath. So next, mainly cyanobacteria have chlorophyll A similar to the green plants. So these are the photosynthetic organisms. సైనోబాక్టీరియాలో క్లోరోఫిల్ ఏ అనేది ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి అవి కిరణజన్య సంయోగ క్రియ ద్వారా తన ఆహారాన్ని అవి తయారు చేసుకుంటాయి. ఇన్ ఫ్యాడీ ఫీల్డ్స్ సైనోబాక్టీరియా సర్వ్ యాజ్ ఏ ఇంపార్టెంట్ బయోఫెర్టిలైజర్స్. అంటే వరి మడులలో ఈ సైనోబాక్టీరియా అనేది జీవ ఎరువుగా పనిచేస్తుంది. నాస్టాక్ అండ్ అనబినా, సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద cyanobacterias. So they can fix atmospheric nitrogen in specialized cells called heterocysts. Nostoc and Anemona. Nostoc and Anemona are the cyanobacteria. They are fix atmospheric nitrogen in specialized cells called heterocyst. Heterocyst. In polluted waters, they form blooms. అంటే కలుషితమైనటువంటి నీటిలో ఇవి మంజురలుగా ఏర్పడతాయి. ఇన్ సైనోబాక్టీరియా ద సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ ద సైటోప్లాజం కలర్లెస్ chromatin is present. This chromatin is called centroplasm. Centroplasm. So centroplasm is surrounded with colored chromoplasm. colored chromoplasm. Next, reproduction. Reproduction. Mainly cyanobacteria reproduce asexually by achainids or armogonias. Achainids or armogonias. Achainids or armogonias. Armogonia means fragments. అంటే అలైంగిక ప్రత్యుత్పత్తి ద్వారా అకైనిడ్స్ లేదా హార్మోగోనియం ద్వారా జరుపుకుంటాయన్నమాట. అంటే ఇవి అలైంగిక ప్రత్యుత్పత్తిని అకైనిడ్స్ ద్వారా కానీ లేదా హార్మోగోనియం ద్వారా కానీ జరుపుకుంటాయి. అకైనిడ్స్ మీన్స్ thick-walled non-motile spores are called achainids. Thick-walled non-motile spores are called achainids. These are the separate from vegetative cells. So next, harmogonias. Harmogonias means fragmentation. Means a parent's organism break down into several fragments. Each fragments have capable to produce young ones. So he is called harmogonia or fragmentation. Next, Trichodesmium erythraeum is a red color blue-green algae. So it is located in Red Sea. Trichodesmium erythraeum. Trichodesmium erythraeum. Trichodesmium erythraeum is a red blue-green algae. It is located in Red Sea. Where it is located? Red Sea. సో ఈ ట్రైకోడెస్మియం ఎరిత్రియం అనేది ఎర్ర సముద్రంలో ఉంటుంది. ఎందుకు ఆ సముద్రము ఎరుపు కలర్లో కనిపిస్తుందంటే మిలియన్స్ ఆఫ్ ట్రైకోడెస్మియం ఎరిత్రియమ్స్ ఆర్ ప్రజెంట్ ఇన్ రెడ్ సీ. దట్స్ వై దట్ ఈస్ లుక్ లైక్ ఏ రెడ్ ఇన్ కలర్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ మైకోప్లాస్మా. మైకోప్లాస్మా. Mycoplasma is also known as PPLO. PPLO means pleuropneumonia-like organisms. Pleuropneumonia-like organisms. So PPLO means pleuropneumonia-like organisms. So these are the smallest living cells. Smallest living cells. Smallest living cells. So these organisms, cell wall is absent. Cell wall is absent. So they can change their shape. So it is called pleomorphism or pleomorphic. Pleomorphic. So pleomorphic means they can change their shape. So is called pleomorphic. So mainly these organisms so live without oxygen. Live without oxygen. అంటే ఆక్సిజన్ లేకుండానే అవి బ్రతకగలుగుతాయి అన్నమాట. Some diseases are caused by this mycoplasma. So they are diseases. So first one is witch's broom disease. Witch's broom disease. Witch's broom disease. Witch's broom disease we observe in plants. We observe in plants. తెలుగులో ఏమని పిలుస్తామంటే మంత్రగత్తె చీపురు కట్ట అని పిలుస్తామన్నమాట. సో నెక్స్ట్ అనదర్ వన్ ఈజ్ ప్లూరోనిమోనియా డిసీజ్. Pleuropneumonia disease. We observe in cattle. Next, another one is mycoplasmal erythritis. Mycoplasmal erythritis. So these disease we observe in human beings. You can observe in human beings. Okay. So next another one is actinomycetes. 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 These are the filamentous branched bacteria. అంటే తంతు రూపంలో ఉన్నటువంటి బ్యాక్టీరియాస్. నెక్స్ట్ సెల్ వాల్ ఈజ్ మేడప్ ఆఫ్ మైకోలిక్ యాసిడ్. సెల్ వాల్ ఈజ్ మేడప్ ఆఫ్ మైకోలిక్ యాసిడ్. Mycolic acid. Most of the bacteria are parasites or decomposers. Parasites are decomposers. Or some are the saprophytes. Saprophytes. Some are decomposers. So some are parasites. For example, Corynebacterium and Mycobacterium. So these two are example for parasitic actinomycetes. So what are they are? Corynebacterium and Mycobacterium. Mycobacterium and Corynebacterium. So these two are the parasitic actinomycetes. Antibiotics also prepared from this actinomycetes. For example, streptomycin. Streptomycin So streptomycin is one type of antibiotic. So it is prepared from actinomycetes. So antibiotics also prepared from streptomycin. Streptomycin is one type of actinomycetes. Okay. So these all are included in Monera kingdoms. See once again, cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria is also known as blue-green algae. So cyanobacteria are unicellular, colonial, filamentous organisms. Mainly they are living in water or marine water or terrestrial places. So these colonies are surrounded with gelatinous sheath. So in a paddy field, cyanobacteria serve as a biofertilizers. Next, nostoc and anabina are the cyanobacteria. They are fixed atmospheric nitrogen in specialized cells or called heterocyst. In heterocyst, Nif gene is present. Which gene is present? Nif gene. So Nif gene is present. So it is a fixed atmospheric nitrogen. So next, so when you are observing, in center of the cyanobacteria, colorless chromatin is present. So that chromatin is called centroplasm. In centroplasm, DNA is present. DNA is present. So this centroplasm is surrounded with colored chromoplasm. Okay. So next, when you are observing in reproduction cyanobacteria, so mainly they are reproduced asexually by achaenids or hormogonias. Achaenids means, so they are the thick-walled non-motile cells, thick-walled non-motile spores. Hormogonias means fragmentation. At the time of reproduction, flagellas are absent in cyanobacteria. Next, Trichodesmium erythraeum is present in Red Sea. So that sea is appear red in color. So because millions of Trichodesmium erythraeums are present on that Red Sea, that's why they are appear. That's why the sea is appear look like a red in color. So next, mycoplasma. Mycoplasma is also known as PPLO. PPLO means pleuropneumonia-like organisms. So these are the smallest living cells. Mycoplasma are the smallest living cells. Mainly cell wall is absent. They can change their shape. So that condition is called pleomorphic condition. Some diseases are caused by this mycoplasma. So what are they are means, witch's broom disease we can observe in plants. Just pleuropneumonia disease we observed in cattle. Just mycoplasmal erythritis we can observe in human beings. So next, another one is actinomycetes. So these actinomycetes are the branched filamentous like bacteria. The cell wall is made up of mycolic acid. So most of the organisms are saprophytes or decomposers. Next, so some of the Mycobacterium and Corynebacterium are the parasitic actinomycetes. Antibiotics also we prepared from streptomycin. It is one of the actinomycetes. Okay.